Hey everybody, Sean Gavin, RHG Products. Just want to take a moment and talk about replacement sections for your water-fed poles. So this is the Easy Pure Mini that we make here at RHG Products. Comes with our plastic clamps. If you ever have to replace a clamp or a section on one of our poles, a lot of people ask, how do I identify which one to order? So if you take a look on the clamp bodies themselves, all of our clamp bodies have molded right into the clamp if they're plastic, and CNC'd right into our aluminum ones. On the top of the clamp body, there's a number, T1 through T9, depending on the section. So that easily allows you to identify the section that you need to replace or the clamp. So if it's T1, obviously you need clamp 1. If it's T2, and so on. So easy way to identify them for replacement sections. On the number 1 section, there is no clamp. Okay, we don't have a clamp on the top. We have a glued on aluminum anodized Euro tip threaded to accept our goosenecks. So the number 1 sections don't have clamps. It all starts at T1. So if you need a replacement clamp or a replacement section, that's how to identify it. Thanks everyone. Visit us at rhgproducts.com.